Are you confused by the meat counter? Chuck roast and shoulder roast are often used interchangeably, but they come from different parts of the cow with distinct textures. Let's start with the anatomy. The chuck primal is located in the forequarter, while the shoulder roast specifically comes from the shoulder clod, which is a separate, leaner muscle group. Because of this location, the shoulder roast is actually leaner and moderately tougher than the chuck. It lacks the heavy marbling found in other cuts due to less muscle usage. However, don't let the toughness scare you. Both cuts are rich in flavor and require slow cooking methods like braising or pot roasting to break down the connective tissue effectively. A typical chuck roast can yield over 800 calories with high protein and fat content, making it a staple for hearty stews that need to withstand long simmering times. When choosing between them, consider the address. If you want a leaner option for roasting, pick the shoulder. If you want maximum flavor and richness, choose the chuck roll. Meanier is that while they are neighbors in the butcher shop, understanding their specific origins helps you cook a tender, flavorful dish every single time. Now that you know the difference between the chuck and the shoulder clod, which cut do you prefer for your Sunday dinner? Let me know in the comments below.